Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I am unboxing the gorgeous new June 2025 Color Kits from Shimmerz Paints. So let's go ahead and get started, and I will show you all the goodness that is included in this kit. All right, here's a look at the kit. I've got the paints, I've got the dots, I've got ephemera, I've got a coloring sheet. Now I'm going to go ahead and set these paints aside, and I will swatch those in just a moment, but I wanted to show you all the gorgeous colors that you see here. All right, so next included in the kit, this is one of my favorites. We have 3 epoxy flare dots. So these are super cute, and I can't wait to use these. Then also included in your kit, you receive a pack of pre-cut ephemera, and there's lots and lots of pieces in here. So let me go ahead and take these out, and I will start showing you these pieces. Now you can see here it's pretty themed in that it has an under the sea or a mermaid type vibe, which is super fun if you've got beach photos or if you've got pool photos. These are super fun. I love the colors, this teal and this purple. While I'm flipping through the ephemera, I wanted to tell you that when you place a Shimmerz Paints order on the website, you can add my name, Melissa Minor, to the comments section, or it's like the notes section, and they will send you a free paint. And you can add my name to every order you place, and each time Shimmerz is going to send you another free paint. And that is just a great way to build up your paint supply and maybe try a color that you wouldn't have thought to try before. So thank you so much for all those that add my name. I do appreciate it. All right, you also receive a pack of Studio Calico stickers. And these are a little bit different color. They're a little more muted, but you can see here they still go along with this theme. I love the little arrows. We've got some fish. We've got look for something positive in each day. So there's some titles here. We've got some little underwater scenes that you can build with those stickers. And then included is also a color sheet, so you can paint this up with your included paints and then fussy cut these out. So these waves would be really pretty on a page. All right, let's start looking through the paper. So you receive 18 total designs. It's really heavyweight cardstock, and there's 9 sheets total of paper. So you can see here, this is my favorite one. I love this one. We've got mermaid tails on the back of this one. This one would be really cool with some ocean photos. You could put it either way, I guess. So that's really pretty. Or you've just got polka dots on the back. We've got a bunch of seashells in gold. And then on the back of this one, we've got some hearts and little like an ombre type color pattern. We've got some stripes here, and then here's another coloring sheet, so you can color this up with your paints, and you could either fussy cut that or just leave it as is. Here's another ombre colored page with stars and hearts, and then we have another coloring sheet with some starfish and some waves. Ooh, this one's super pretty with some gold detail in it for leaves, and then we've got purple and white palm trees on the back. Super pretty. And then this one has some flowers with that teal colored paper. And then this is fun, this gold, or it's like a brownish gold at the bottom. That kind of reminds me of sand. This one definitely looks like a big giant wave, or you've got some purple and white stripes on the back. So lots of beautiful paper included in the kit. Let's start looking at the paints. So this first one is a spritz, and the color of this one is called Walkin' a Type Heliotrope. I love the names in these. I'm not sure I said that right. And so it's a spritz, and it's this really pretty, vibrant purple color. So I love that. Super pretty. This next one here that we've got is, let's see here. This is the Stay Golden Shimmers. Now this one is brand new. So this has never been on the website before. This is a brand new color. And look at all the gold and the shimmer. I'm trying to take the shimmer there off my brush so you can see this one. So this one is really pretty as well. And like I said, this one's brand new, included in the kit this month. Next, we have the Lilac Blossom Shimmers. Now, what is a Shimmerz? A Shimmerz is already a liquid. It's a water-based paint with shimmer in it. So if I didn't say that before, and this, so that you can see here, there's lots and lots of shimmer in this. It's kind of hard to pick up on the camera how really pretty these are, but they're gorgeous in person. Now, this next one is also a Shimmerz, and this one is called Peacock's Plume. So this one has shimmer in it as well, and look at that. That's that gorgeous deep teal, which looks just like the ocean in my opinion. And then this next one here, this is a Vibes. Now a Vibe is a shimmer spray, but you can see here I'm painting it on with my paintbrush. And this is the Jenny B Blue Vibes. And again, that looks like ocean water to me. So you could mix these two together and it'd look really pretty. Now this is what's called the bonus bundle. So in the bonus bundle, you receive a sequin mix. Now this is an add-on, and I think it's like $5. I think $5.99 maybe on the website. But you receive a paint. And this paint is called Purple Mountain Majesty, and it's in Inklings. And the Inklings come in these paint pans. Now, I will leave listed down below in the description box the container that I store my ink pans in, as well as how I share or store my shimmers, paints, and sprays. So I'll leave those if you're looking for some storage options down below in the description box. But these are really nice to add on. So this is an add-on to your kit. You would receive the sequins and this paint if you added this month's bonus bundle. So that is a look at all the paints included in the kit this month. You can get the full color kits, you can get a paint kit. There's different varieties available on the website, so be sure to check them out. If you've enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!